is week 1 of our update for the Quilted Snowman cross stitch along from Lori Holt. And this is being hosted by FatQuartershop. And if you head over there on their channel, Kimberly is also stitching this along with us. Now, there isn't any real hard, fast rules of what you gotta stitch first. And I know I like to do mine a little bit different. I like to start in the bottom, left-hand corner. So that is what I have done. And let me actually unhoop this for you so that you can get a better look at it all, because it's kind of difficult to see all hooped up, especially when I've got it framed kind of small like this. But this is the size I like to work with, and then I just move it along as I go. So let's pull off all of our little batting. And here we go. I have got the wheelbarrow completed. And I've done a couple of these little stars, which I have to say, the stars so far have been my favorite part. I really enjoyed stitching those. And I have started with some of the squares of my snowman. And I kind of debated this a little bit, whether I wanted to stitch with 2 threads and just kind of alternate as I came across a square, and, just 2 different color threads alternating. But I ended up deciding that I would really rather just go ahead and stitch everything in the one color of floss, and then come back and fill in all of these little square gaps with the other color. For some reason, I just thought it would be more fun that way. And so far, I think I'm right, because it is fun stitching these little squares. It's very therapeutic, and there's also not a whole lot of thought that has to go into it. I can sit there and watch a movie with my family and really be focusing on something else and still get my counting just fine, because it's really easy to count five little crosses in a square. And the surrounding squares really help you to keep it all lined up too. So, goodness, that's not showing you very well, is it? There we go. I like it so far though, and I'm really glad that I chose to do this on 16 count, because that is definitely my favorite size to stitch on. And for those of you who are wondering, I am using Fiber on a Whim Espresso. And like I said, it's 16 count. And then the colors of the floss, I have not changed anything. These are all of the colors that come in the bundle of floss for this specific pattern. So if you go to FatQuartershop and you look at their website, there is, which I will link them down in the description box below. I have an affiliate link, and that'll take you right over there. But yeah, they've got a little floss pack put together for it already, so you don't have to sit there and pick out which flosses you need, which saves a ton of time, let me tell you. And then you can just pick up your pattern and your fabric over there as well. It's been super helpful. They did have a needle minder that went along with this. I don't know if it looks just like the snowman, so to me it goes along with it, and it's from Lori Holt. But they were all sold out when I ordered mine, so I've got to use one of my ones from home, but that's okay. I've got this cute little duck guy that's helping me. These cute little ducks that are all stacked up, and they're helping me. I'm loving it so far. I really, really do enjoy doing the stars, and I'm looking forward to stitching more of those, because I know they're all over this one, which is funny because I don't normally enjoy like just the little teeny tiny, here's a stitch here and here's a stitch there, and then having to change threads. But those are just fun for some reason. I don't know. I can't help it. They're very satisfying to run your fingers over and look at as well. All right, guys. that is week 1 of what I've done so far. And if you're not as far as me, don't freak out. Don't worry. You know, this is going on for a while. We've got several weeks to work on it, and just take your time. And if, you know, you're going at a different pace than us, that's not a problem either. You can always watch these videos at your own pace. So I hope you will join me for week 2. Let me know if you are stitching along with me. I would love to hear about it. And let me know what you think of my choice in fabric, because I think it goes well. I think it was a good swap out. I can't remember why I swapped it. I know I do like Fiber on a Whim, so that could be it and all in itself. But I'm kind of thinking, if I remember correctly, that the fabric might have been out of stock too. So it's been popular. We'll say that. It's been popular. All right, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day. I'll see you guys again next time. Bye.